In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer from Coinbase to Stake. The process isn't a direct crypto to crypto transfer because Stake doesn't support cryptocurrencies. Instead, Stake focuses on traditional investment assets like US and Australian stocks. So, to fund your Stake account using crypto from Coinbase, the strategy involves converting your cryptocurrency into regular fiat currency like AUD or USD, then transferring that to your bank account, and finally depositing it into Stake. To begin, log in to your Coinbase account and sell the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another asset, you'll want to convert it into fiat currency within the Coinbase app. Once the sale is complete, the money will appear in your Coinbase fiat wallet. The next step is withdrawing this fiat into your linked bank account. Coinbase allows you to withdraw funds directly to the bank account that's already verified, and it's wise to ensure that this is the same account you've connected to your Stake profile to avoid any transaction issues. Once the money arrives in your bank account, you can head over to the Stake platform. Stake makes it simple to deposit funds using various local options like direct bank transfer or even debit card. After logging in, navigate to the funding section, select your preferred method, and follow the prompts to transfer the funds. It might take a short while for the deposit to reflect in your Stake balance, depending on your bank and the deposit method chosen. After your Stake account is funded, you're ready to start investing. Whether you're buying shares of tech giants, ETFs, or even Coinbase's own stock ticker symbol, COIN, Stake will let you place market or limit orders based on your strategy. Just remember that while Coinbase deals in digital assets and blockchain-based currencies, Stake operates fully in traditional financial markets. That's why you must liquidate crypto into fiat before funding Stake. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.